Aroa Ecm is an advanced regenerative technology made from tissue isolated from the forestomach of pasture-raised New Zealand sheep. The forestomach tissue evolved dense vasculature in order to maximize nutrient absorption. It is a resilient tissue that undergoes constant tissue turnover and regeneration to support the development and nutritional needs of the growing animal. This remarkable combination of advanced structure and biology makes it an ideal tissue source for soft tissue repair technologies. Using Aroa's proprietary method of gentle decellularization, the forestomach tissue is processed to remove only unwanted tissue components, leaving behind the intact extracellular matrix, or ECM. The Aroa Ecm technology has a similar structure in biology to human tissue ECM, making it a universal platform for facilitating human soft tissue regeneration. In normal, healthy tissue, the ECM is a critical platform for continuous dynamic and reciprocal communication and signaling between cells. Additionally, the ECM provides a physical scaffold to support cells. Both of these functions are key for ongoing tissue maintenance and are especially important during soft tissue repair. In acute or chronic soft tissue defects, the ECM is missing or damaged, and wound healing may be compromised, especially in patients with diseases such as diabetes, vascular disease, or obesity. The Aroa Ecm can be used to replace missing or damaged ECM to augment the patient's own healing. The Aroa Ecm retains the native organized structure of healthy tissue ECM to provide a robust, porous bioscaffold comprised of collagens, laminin, elastins, and other structural proteins. This supports the infiltration of the patient's own cells, including fibroblasts, immune cells, and endothelial cells. This facilitates the building of new healthy tissue. Aroa Ecm contains residual vascular channels. In a process called angioconduction, endothelial cells utilize these channels as a template to help build new blood vessels and rapidly vascularize the newly forming tissue. When processing the forestomach tissue, the epithelial and endothelial basement membranes, comprising collagen 4, laminin, and perlecan, are retained. The basement membranes serve a critical role in the adhesion of patient cells to the Aroa Ecm during cell repopulation and tissue growth. The Aroa Ecm contains over 150 natural ECM proteins found in normal healthy tissue, such as protease inhibitors that help modulate wound inflammation, thus helping stalled wounds to progress to the healing phase. Growth factors to signal and mediate cell communication during tissue repair and remodeling. Published preclinical data has also demonstrated the ability of components found within Aroa Ecm to attract stem cells. Over time, the Aroa Ecm is incorporated into the soft tissue defect and replaced by the patient's own cells, eventually becoming organized, functional tissue. The Aroa Ecm can be used as a building block for soft tissue reconstruction across and within the body.